up, guys? I just removed my old antenna that I had out here. It's gone. Now I just have these. You can see them. That's what I got now, guys. Just these. Okay? My old antenna I took out. I removed it. So I have an empty cord here now. Got an empty cord. Because this one's working so awesome. It's working so good that I took that one down. I mean, that was the first one I built, guys. You know, that was the first one I built. And I'm going to be working on modifying this here. I'm going to be modifying this. As long as I get a lot of views on that, I'm going to modify that one and make it really super good, guys. I got plans. I got plans. Excuse me. I'm making a awesome antenna. Okay? And the good news is that I might be selling that antenna. Alright? That I'm going to be making coming up. I have to see if I can gather resources and see what I could do. But I'm going to try to have an antenna that I'll be able to start selling to help support my channel. And so all the money that I make from the antenna goes back into my channel on equipment, you know, stuff like that. Just like I had a few people donate, and I was able to purchase a tripod. I'm waiting for that to get here, and I'm going to do an unboxing video and a review of that tripod. So anyway, guys, here's the old antenna. You know, that's the old one, guys. The funny thing is that it still works, you know. That's the old style there. Antenna. And with my antenna, you no longer need this. You no longer need it. But it's good to have, you know, it's easy to connect. You don't have to worry about soldering or anything, getting wires together. You know, you just put in your cable here like that. See? So I'm going to order some of these. I'm going to order some of those for the ones that I'm going to be building and most likely selling. I'm going to start out with just a limited supply, but this is my first antenna I ever built. The first one, guys. And I got me channels in Florida. That came from Florida to Pennsylvania, and I've used it here for years. I used it in Florida for a few years, used it here for a long time, guys. And then the wife wanted dish. The wife wanted dish, so I put it away. I put it away for a while, and you know, it got rusty and everything. So now I'm done with it, guys. I'll be taking this antenna apart and see what kind of scrap I get out of it and stuff, you know. I'll be reusing this here. Maybe some of the screws I'll reuse too. There's my drill that I took it off with. Awesome, awesome. So that's the antenna that's replacing that antenna, because it's so good. This antenna is really good, guys. It's really good. So anyway, guys, I mean, it's even better than that. It's even better than that antenna right there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, smash the like button.